Welcome back to my 3D printer project. You can see the mechanical construction work is pretty much done. You have the X-axis moving back and forth with the belt and the motor. And here we have the end stop and a plastic thing I made to hit the end stop. The Y-axis should be ready with the motor and the belt as well. The belt pulley here and the plastic for the end stop. And here is the plastic for the end stop for the Z-axis. So, you should be ready for the electronics. So I've gotten a thermal tape to attach the heat sinks to the motor drivers. Pressing it firmly so it attaches. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's take a look at the ramp shield. Need to put the stepper motor drivers onto the ramp shield, putting them one by one firmly into place. So here you can see my homemade extruder, cold end, amateur. So you have a slot for the rod and the bearing, slots for the bearings with the hobbed bolt. It's supposed to go in like this, and you can see that the hobbing should align with the middle. So I went with the hot end extruder from E3D, the Light 6. And here it's assembled, and we've set up a test station for it. Here you can see that it's connected to the computer, and we've started it. It's heating up, looking good. So the hot end is now hot, and we need to tighten the nozzle while it's hot. So you need to be careful not to burn yourself. I think that should about do it. Piecing it together, it looks kind of like this, and it's ready for testing.